Hi everybody, this is Ricky, the Nadex expert, and based on our methodology, I was looking at some trades here, and I want to start recording the trades that I take on Nadex live when I execute them, and I'll pause the video and then come back and give you the results. I was looking at the Aussie US dollar here. It's in a downtrend. It corrected a little bit of symmetry here, and this strike price right here of 74.60, right now I am about 29 pips away from it. Okay, I can grab this strike price right here, bounce over to Nadex, 74.60. I'm selling because we're going short on it. Right now I can grab it for $17. Okay, 16.50. So, like we went over in the training videos, I'm just going to click here. Good till close. Right now it's $17 even. And I'm going to take 4 contracts. And I'm risking, as you can see, on 4 contracts, $66 to make $334 if it reaches that strike price by the end of the trade or before, and I decide to close out early. Okay. And as we're speaking here, this is dropping, so I don't like that. I'm going to go ahead and get this in here quick. 78, 75, 79. Let's see, 80 again. Here's 80. Okay, 80, 25, 80, 75, 81. Okay, that's $19 a contract, folks, for contracts that close out at $100. Okay, you're paying $19 for a contract that will pay you $100 minus your $19 risk per contract. So I'm going to go ahead and take this right now, place order, and there it is. You can see the Aussie US. I sold at 74.60. We have to hit 74.60 or below to have a winning trade, but we can still get into profit above that point. So I'll keep an eye on it, and we have 4 positions. Our profit loss right now is $22. The current market is 87. I'm going to pause the video right now, and when we have some results to show you, I'll come back and I'm going to pull up I'm going to go ahead and enter a few other trades too. So I'm going to pause the video right now and go grab those other trades, and I'll come back and place those too. Okay? Be right back. Hi everybody, Ricky again, and I have another trade here. I have the Great British Pound US dollar. I like that short also. The last bar here closed below the last important low here, and I can get a strike price at 1.31000, 1.31000 on Nadex right now for 16, let's see, $26. So we change this to good till close. It's at $26 right now. Let me force it. There we go. 74. And that's 74 will be $26. I'm just going to go ahead and take it at what it's at right now. That's a little high right there. That's 20. 73 would be $27 per contract. Well, now it's going in our favor here. 2 contracts right now would cost me $52 to make 148. And based on our methodology, I think it's going to go low. And I would like to add a little bit of juice to my portfolio, so always on the lookout. And I like to use probability in my favor, so I always take more than one trade. On Nadex, you can lose, if you take 6 trades, you can lose 4 of them and win 2 and still make money. So that's the whole idea and part of my methodology of trading here. So I'm going to go ahead and take this trade right now. Boom. And hopefully, let's see, it's right here. And hopefully it'll come back up. It's dropping like a rock. But there's 5 hours and 46 minutes left on this trade. It's a working order right now. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and amend this. See what happens. And I'm going to amend it to an even $25 per contract. And you can see here I have 2 contracts, $50 for a max profit of $150. Amend order. Boom. And it will stay in the working orders until right here at 3100. I mean, it just dropped real fast, but there's still almost 6 hours left, so I'm just going to leave it there. I'm not going to pay $40 for a contract. So I'm going to stop the video right now and leave that as a working order. We'll see if it comes back up and gets filled. It gets filled. If not, I'm going to take a couple of more trades anyway, and I'll be back with those as soon as I can find some. Okay? Hi everybody, it's Ricky. I'm back, and I'm executing another trade here. I like the strike point of 1.1140 on the Euro USD. It was trending here. The moving averages just crossed. They're steep and down, and on the trade I'm taking, there's almost 6 hours left. So on that particular trade, it was 1.1140. I can get that right now for $16. Putting up 16 to make 100. And based on our methodology, I think it's going to move in that direction. It's at 85 right now. So we're putting up 15 to make 85, basically. And I'm going to go ahead and take 4 of those. It's at 84.50. I'll give it a couple of seconds here. I usually do. And if it starts to go south the other way, like it is right now, boom, we're going to lock ourselves in right now at 82. Boom. Okay, and there we are. We sold the Euro against the US dollar at 1.1140. 5 hours and 41 minutes left in the trade. We paid the sell price was $82. So it cost us $18 per contract. I bought 4 contracts. It was less than, it was about $72, I think, for them to make 400. And as you can see on the chart, this is what we're looking at right here per strike price. So we got almost 6 hours left, and all the previous lows were blown away by this bar right here. Moving averages crossed over. They're steep. The MACD, I'd like it, the MACD is kind of in no man's land, but it's still pointing down and crossed over. I'd like to see it on a more steep angle and wider apart, coming from above 80, but in a perfect world, that's how it is. When you trade Nadex, you want to have probability in your favor, and you need to have multiple trades in order to do that. So that's one more trade. I'm going to go ahead and pause the tape now. And hi everybody, Ricky again, and another trade. Based on our methodology, I'm going long on the US CAD at 32.80. Right now it's on the board at $27. We're risking 27 per contract, 26, 27, right around there, to make, well, do the math. Each contract settles at $100, so you're looking at 3 to 1. And I'm going to go ahead and take that. We're already in profit on the Euro US, as you can see. Keep an eye on that. And I'm going to take, it's at 27 right now, 26. Lower that goes, the less we pay. And I'm going to take 3 of them at 26.50. If it comes back down to 26.50. Right there. Boom. There it is, right there. There's our buy on the US CAD. We're $18 in profit on the Euro, on the Aussie US dollar. It's already gone to 70. We sold it at 81.50. We can buy it back right now at 76. It's going up to 22. I like that trade right off the bat, so I'm going to take one more trade and call it a day. Okay, let me close this out. Hi again, everybody. This is Ricky. This is the last trade that I'm going to place today. It's the US Swissy. I'm going long. I'm buying the strike price of 98.20 right here. And right now, I can get that strike price at 98.20 for 16.25. So we're putting up 16.25 to win 100. I can get it for 16 even right now. Of course, it fluctuates, but you get my point. I'll change that. I'm going to get 4 of those. And for 4 of them at 17.25, we're risking $69 to make 331. Okay? And there we go. Boom. And there's our other buy right there. Okay, I'm going to pause the video right now and I'll get back to you. We got 5 hours and 31 minutes. If I decide to sell or buy to get out early of any of these trades, I'll bring the video back up and do that. Or if I just decide to let them go to expiry, I'll bring the video back up once they go to expiry and let you know what the results were. Okay? Hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Good luck.